I want to show you a product that you may need for your Expedition if you trailer it anywhere. For us in Arizona, it's almost time for us to head up north for the season or for every single weekend to get out of the heat. The last thing you want to do is crack this $1,400 windshield that are a lot of times on back order. So ProFab has an answer for us. This is a cut to fit windshield cover for your Expedition. I'm going to throw one on here real quick so you can see how it fits and how it works. So what you're gonna wanna do is you actually open up your windshield from the inside, and then you're gonna throw this on. And I use the windshield wiper to kind of lock it in place, just right on top there. And then all you gotta do is strap these things here like this and clip them in. And then this one's a little more difficult, especially if you're shorter. You can do it from the inside of the car if you need to. You can do that like that. Snug them up a little bit. Tuck everything in the inside. You're gonna pull your windshield back closed, latch it in, check it from the outside, make any adjustments that you need. Move it up a little bit here, and there you go. Now, windshield is protected. For the road trip that you have, any rocks or anything that hit it, it's all padded, so you don't have to worry about cracking your windshield on those long rides. Click the link below to secure yours today.